Hey guys, welcome back to Maddie Code Up. In today's video, we are diving into an essential Java topic, access modifiers. By the end of this video, you will know how to control access to your classes, methods, variables like a pro. So, let's get started. So, what are access modifiers? Well, they define the visibility of classes, methods, variables within Java. In simple terms, they control who can access what in your code. Java has 4 types of access modifiers: public, private, protected, and default. Let's see what is public access modifier. The public access modifier means the variable or method can be accessed anywhere. See an example on the screen. Here, show message method can access from any class and package. Next, what is private access modifier? Private means keep it to yourself. Private methods or variables cannot be accessed outside the class. See an example on the screen. If you try to access show secret from another class, boom, you will get an error. Protected access modifier. Protected means it's accessible within the same package and by subclasses, even if they are in different packages. See an example on the screen. The family secret variable is accessible in the child class because it is in. Next, default access modifier. No modifier? No problem. This is called default access. It means the method or variable can only be accessed within the same package. See an example on the screen. If you try to calling default method from another package, then access is denied. Let's quickly summarize what we learned in this video. Use public when you need global access. Use private to protect sensitive data inside a class. Use protected for inheritance-based access. Use default means no modifier for package level access. For best practice, always use the most restrictive access modifier, that means private, for security and encapsulation. Thank you for watching.